parang I now regret it. Sobrang convenient. Masarap. Promo yun. Nakuha natin yun dahil sa promo. O diba? Sobrang laki. Domestic lang ito. Presko at mukha ko mabango. Touchdown! So, I'll rush to the hotel. Tapos afterwards, ikot na ako. I have 24 hours here. And then tomorrow, Melbourne na tayo. Kalokohan yung mga ginagawa ko. Pero guys, feeling ko 24 hours is enough. Feeling ko kaya ko siyang magawa. So yes, here's me ako. Guys, I've passporter and passport. So, ang gagawin mo, pwede ka dun sa e-gate nila. Katuwa. So, papasok mo yung passport mo, first page, and then pipicturean ka. And then, lalabas sa isang slip. Like this, na may mukha ko. And then, naka-gate ka na, diretso. So, parang yung arrival card, hindi ko na kailangan i-fill up. And wala nang tao na kakausap sa'yo. Kasi yun na yun. I didn't take photos. It's because, alam mo naman, immigration, I really don't take photos kasi bawal din. So, please, reminder, do not also take photos, especially sa mga security, mga ganyan. And then now, I'll just wait for my luggage. And then, yun na, labas na ako. Pak, check-in na tayo mamaya, guys. Okay, so now, ano yung importante kailangan nyo malaman? Guys, yung paper, di ba kanina pinakita ko, plus yung entry form, kukunin siya paglabas ng customs. Doon siya kukunin, di ba yung pinakita ko? So, mabilis lang, and afterwards, labas ka na, diretso. Again, no video kasi customs is also something that you should do. And outside the airport, ang daming pwede bilhin, like SIM card, may mga shops, may even McDonald's pa, no? May McDonald's, baggage storage, may WH Smith, may bakery. So, in fairness, ang dami. Oh, there's an Uber here. And then, tinan mo, pwede ka dito kumuha ng Uber. And then, may pin lang siya here. Share the pin with the next available driver before you get into the car. Pila tayo. You get your pin, pipila ka, and then sila na bahala mag-assign ng car. And then may tumutulong sa'yo doon na parang, okay, ano yung kukunin mo car, kung ilan yung baggage mo. So, nag-Uber na ako ngayon because I have 24 hours. So, maximize the time. Mas mahal siya, yes. But, paminsan-minsan, alam niyo naman, nag-o-okay ako sa ginagawa. But not all the time. Yan yung line, guys. Guys, oh my god, look at this hotel. This is the Fullerton. And this is what my retail dyan. It's called Martin Place. But the hotel's inside. I'm gonna show it to you. Oh my god, look. Ang cute. Guys, ito yung hotel lobby niya. With all of the different things. So the Fullerton Hotel was an old post office na remodel nila or parang ginawa nilang hotel. So if you're going to look at it, the structures are always or parang very old net. And ang ganda niya talaga when I was going up. At nag-freshen up ako na bit. So the staircase, you even have all of the different old structures that you can see on the sides, mga metals. Guys, look po, Commonwealth Bank of Australia is here. Ang ganda ng structure. And to be honest, alam mo ba, hindi mainit yung panahon ngayon. Kasi parang sobrang cool ng weather. Mahal na yung hotel, pero my god, the location is like, ganda. Can I just say, ganda. And syempre, gusto ko magpapalit, pero ihintayin natin makapag-check-in later. But for now, iikutin ko muna whatever I can ikot here in the location. Papakita ko sa inyo lahat. So, yun know, these are Martin Place. O, diba? And then yung circular quay, yan yung sasakay tayo ng ferry doon. Guys, cute ng park, no? Taran! Okay, Bondi Beach muna ang first stop. So, I need to ride a bus. Nakita ko, may bus daw siya. Pero ang layo. Pero gusto ko siya makita eh. Gagawa na natin ang paraan yan. Guys, may station rin here malapit sa hotel, oh. And there's like all of these park na pwede nyo lakaran. Guys, finally, we're here. Ang talagang ginol ko, diba? Unang-una gusto ko makita yung Bondi Beach. So, ito talaga unang stops. Okay, I'm gonna cross the street here. i-maximize natin ang time natin. Okay, it's almost 2, 3 na. So, pagbalik ko doon, check-in, then we go with Bugdok at the Sydney Opera House. Guys, I'm so happy! Ang ganda ng water! Look, look! My gosh! My God, guys. Ay, side note pala na kwento dito. Alam mo ba, I went to Sydney when I was like kid pa. Kaya it's maganda siya napuntahan ko ulit now. Kasi dati parang how old kami? 10 years old. You know? So wala talaga akong maalala. Or may konting. Pero now, iba. Daming naka-Sunday. Hindi kayo ng lola nyo yan. Alam nyo guys, takot sa araw. Sunblock galore ang lola nyo. So, mabilis na ito. That's Watay Beach. Fairness yung tubig, ang blue. Kung talagang pwede na ma-zoom in, ang blue ng water. Like, ganda. Guys, look oh, diba? Pwede ka dyan sa park, ganyan. Mag-ano ka dyan, liwaliw. Hindi ako gutom kasi I think that's the thing. I asked them to push my meal sa plane towards the latter part para hindi ako sobrang dami kinain. Pero guys, parang I now regret it. Dapat extra day ako in Sydney. Pero okay na yan. Parang enough na siya. Mabilisan ko na lahat ng makilaan. Guys, yan o, ang dami pong pwedeng puntahan, kainin. Ganyan, dami. So guys, got this room, 328. And let's do a room tour. Okay, before anything else, pagpasok mo, you have your speaker, then you have your king-size bed here, you have plugs and outlet beside your bedside table, you have a chair, diba, to put on your shoes, you have a sofa with an ottoman, another chair there, tapos malaking TV mo dito. You have your workstation here, whatever you need, nandito, coffee machine, your tea set, and you even have a tablet here. Whatever you might need from them, it's all here. And you have your phone, then you have your water as well. And guys, in fairness, look at this artwork, diba? It's a printed artwork. Ang cute nito, and you even have a fireplace. The fireplace is not working, pero guys, this fireplace kasi, I think this is talaga from the old building itself. Diba? So parang hindi mo po siya pwedeng sirain, hindi mo rin pwede tanggalin, so that's why it's still here. So medyo unique to. That's why I chose this hotel kasi it's an old post office back then. And then, you have your windows. Then guys, yan mo ha, ang view ko is the Commonwealth Bank of Australia. Diba? Just in front of the main entrance of the whole hotel. Then here's your cabinet. You have your ironing board, and then you have your parang robe, flashlight, you have your safety deposit, and you have your slippers, and you also have your laundry bag, my favorite. As in, whenever we travel, diba, kinukuha ko yan. Big mirror, and you can put all of your bags here as well. Yan yung dalawa kong bag, diba guys? And then, here's your bathroom. Ensuite bathroom talaga. Ang laki. Tingnan mo guys, diba? Balmain pala yung hand wash niya at saka body soap. And then, you have your tissue, hair dryer. Then, you have all of your amenities or your toiletries here. Diba? Ang dami. Kompleto siya. Toothpaste. And then, guys, ito yung bath mo. Diba? May rainfall or rain shower head. And then, meron ka rin yung the regular shower head. Then it's all Balmain, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Tapos may bathtub ka rin dito. And then nandito yung toilet bowl mo, di ba? Fairness. Slabs. Ang laki. By the way, this is the same Fullerton dun sa Singapore na Fullerton din, if ever. So guys, nakita nyo naman yung labas, di ba? You have lots of for architecture. There's maraming station beside it. You even have a bus station, you have the train station, you have food, you have groceries, you have mini marts, and malapit rin siya dun sa Circle Quay where you're going to ride the ferry to go around. So in a bit, mag-freshen up na ako and then I'm going to go para makita ko rin yon kasi gusto ko makita yung Sydney Opera House from afar kasi parang maganda rin siya makita yun. Di ba parang nakita mo yung movie to ni Sweeney? Well, di ba nandun sila nagkabati dun sa Sydney Opera House. Ang dami kong sinabi, di ba? Pero yun siya, guys. Fairness, ito yun. This is it, the Fullerton, Sydney. Guys, cute ng streets nila dito talaga. And even sculptures. So, I'm going to the Circle Quay. Sasakay tayo. Papunta tayo sa... Para makita natin yung Opera House. Freshen up na ako. Nagpalit na ako to shorts para mukha ko. Guys, at mukha ko mabango. Oh my gosh, guys. Tingnan mo, may mga ganyan pa pala. Ang cute! May ganyang tram! I love it! Okay. Pak! Ang cute. So, I need to go straight up para nandun yung mga boat. Ferry. Ganyan yan! Guys, ang ganda ng weather. As in, nako, ito na naman to si 20,000 steps, Jax Reyes. 20,000 steps na naman tayo dito for sure. Pero, late ang sunset nila. I checked Google, nasa 7:45 PM pa. So, winner. Kasi nag-ano ko, guys, nag-freshen up ako talaga. Kasi alam mo yun, kahit long haul flight, pagod talaga, di ba? Ang ganda! Look at everything here. Oh my gosh, dami mga ibon din. Oh. Ayan na. Ay, Opera House. Gusto ko nakita ko na yung Opera House. Pa ako, ito pala yung Opera House. Oo nga naman. It's like a 10-minute walk. 15-minute walk sa Google, pero mabilis ako maglakad, kaya 10 minutes. Wait. Nalapit tayo bago tayo mag-ferry. Ang ganda! MCA is there. There's the bridge. Then you have your opera. My gosh, guys, lahat pala itong mga to, libre lang, oh. You don't have to pay to look at it. See? Yan na yan. Cute. And then that's where you're gonna ride the ferry. Guys, that's it. Ang lapit lang, di ba? Guys, from left, everything's here. Yung pier mo nandyan na. Plus yung bridge nandyan na. O, diba? 10 minutes lang siya from the hotel. And the bridge is there na. Okay, diba? Sydney Opera House nandyan na rin. So, sobrang lapit. Ganda. Ayan na, guys. Diyan tayo sasakay. Ayan. So, kailangan natin alam, check the price in store. So, that's a question there. Kung saan ang presyo na yan. Kasi iba ata ang presyo niyan. Malalaman natin. Ayan. Guys, pwede bumili ng ticket here. So, sasakay tayo na ganito. Okay. I think gusto ko sa taas. Guys, may upper deck to. Feeling ko mas maganda dito. As in, ito yung kukunin nyo kasi may upper deck. Tignan mo, ang ganda. Yan yung view mo. Ak! Ak! Kahit maaraw dito, naka-sunblock ako, hindi ako takot. Ang ganda nito, walang katuwa. You have to do this. Ay naku, worth it talaga to. Worth it. Mamaya na ako kakain, kahit magutom ako. Ay, ito na guys, ito na yung dito tumakbo yun sa movie nila. Sweeney at ni John pa, ni Powell. Diyan siya sa may pier, sa harapan. Ganda. May card payment sila here. So, it's lumabas 9.11. Sa phone siya tinatap. Ang cute. Ang cool ng system nila. I'm sorry na hindi ko sa ganito. Kasi wala tayo ganyan sa Philippines. Second smartphone lang. Tapos, ginarge tapos back tap underneath. Underneath. Siyempre, si Lola mo, sanay sa taas mo tap, di ba? Ang cool. Ang cool. Ang cool. Totoo ako sobra. Oh my gosh. Yes. 9.11, not bad. 400 pesos. 300 plus pesos. Tapos ganito ka breezy. Nakita mo niya yung scenery. Bongga! Pero feeling ko dapat nag-sunset ako. Magsa-sunset tayo. Guys, oh. Ganda na. Diba? Okay. So this is Watson's Bay. Ang daming pagkain. Alam mo, parang sarap ng amoy pa lang. Parang kung marami lang akong friends kasama dito, alam mo yun, guys. Oh my God. Kakagloka. These are things that you don't usually see. Ang ganda. Ganda, diba, guys? Okay, parang I wanna eat here. Kasi hindi pa naman ako nagla-lunch. Looks like it. Ito Doyle's. O kasi, guys, 1885 pa. So I wanted to try it out. So ito itsura ng buong restaurant niya. And even the outside, ganyan itsura. By the shore. Siyempre, ayaw natin sa labas. Kasi maingay na. My gosh, may and my cocktails. Ayan, may small plate. Perfect. Yan yung mga gusto natin. Ito kasi natatakot ako. I don't think maubos ko yan. Bago tayo magsaya ng food. Actually, sobrang sweet. Sabi niya sa akin, why not dito daw ako mupo? Para makita ko yung view, which is true. Ayan guys, o, diba? Tama naman. O, diba? Ayan yung view ko. Ang ganda. Diba? Hindi pa mainit. My gosh, ang laki ng isda na to, nakakaloka. Pero may salad siya. Pero isda naman yan. Isda. Ang laking lemon. Pag sa Pilipinas, hindi ganyan kalaki magbibigay sa atin lemon. Kasi mahal. Baka dito kasi ang dami ng lemon. Sarap. Barbecue sauce. Sarap. Kaya natin yung salad, guys. Ay! Sarap ng salad dressing. Isa 50 plus to. So medyo mahal. Ano ba? Isda. Isda. Lagyan natin yung tomato sauce. Lagyan natin yung barbecue sauce, guys.
Should you require any assistance during your cruise, please reach out to a member of the crew.
Pierre, guys. Ayan na. Ayan siya. Pack. Sa'yo, diba? May fish and chips pa ako. Guys, getting into the direction ng sun. But look, diba? You still see the orange sunset days. Guys, diba? Kanina, kulang na ako sa oras kumain ng matagal. So, inuwi ko yung food ko. And now, sa hotel ko na siyang kinakain. Ito yung natira kong fish. Hindi na ako pwede magbaboy later. Wala eh, kasi malaki talaga serving nila eh. I wanted to try it din. Masarap talaga siya. I mean, I don't know. Basta masarap siya. May barbecue sauce pa nga kanina. Ang sarap talaga. Ayan na. We're gonna try this. Cute McDonald's, guys. Ano, cute. Tignan natin kung anong meron silang. Ang laki, 40 pieces. Nakakaloka. Beef. Ay! Chicken. McCrispy. McSpicy. Double McChicken. Chicken nuggets. No. Dessert. May Biscoff. No. Happy Meal. May snacks. Cafe, cold drinks. Vanilla Coke. But I'm not a fan. Okay, so I think burger yung mga sikat. Walang masyadong bago ah. May Macas, Mega Meal. Oh my gosh guys, nabaliw ako sa 7-Eleven. Ang daming pagkain. Mas maganda siya kaysa sa McDo. So this one, hot siya. Tapos nasa isang hot na cabinet siya ng pagkain. Walking back to the hotel. And grabe, basta natuwa ako sa 7-Eleven and I'm sure sa Melbourne mas marami rin. It's just that yung eto medyo maliit and sometimes kasi di ba they don't allow video taking, so medyo na-conscious rin ako. So yun lang, I just wanna share that with you. Guys, walang caffeine na Coke Zero. Ang init nito, natutuwa ako. Ganito siya, 7-Eleven. Parang all of this plus the water was around $9. And yes, hindi talaga ako ng tubig kasi guys, kailangan eh. Cheese dog! Harap! Tapos may Thai chili sauce. Ano ba itong buhok ko guys? Ba't ganito na itsura? Look at these old structures and even these stairs. Ang ganda. Talagang this is why I chose this hotel. Ang ganda. Ang ganda diba guys? Look at this old staircase. You can go down, go up. And then ang bright ng sun. And if you're going to go back to your room, ganito rin lang. You have to car key lang and then just tap. Sabi sa akin na kailangan ko mag-brunch in Sydney kasi they're known for brunching. People are known for brunching. So, naghanap ako ng brunch place. It's called Wild Sage. Ito siya. So, lalakarin ko siya. 11 minutes lang siya. Before, and I have to be back by 1 dito sa hotel para I can get my bags and then go to the airport. Then, syempre, I'm going to fly with Qantas. So, see? And check ko na muna to. Lalakarin ko na muna to. In fairness, guys, I love Google Maps. Like, ang taas ng rating nito. So that's why. Guys, nainis na ako sa hair ko. Pero Chinese New Year, meron kasing paniniwala, you don't cut your hair for the whole first month of the New Year. So that's up until mga 29 pa, di ba? So mga March 29, if I'm not mistaken. So ayun, titiis ko na lang siya muna right now. Okay lang yan. Mga ano pa, may hiin lang naman yan. It doesn't necessarily mean it's true, but no harm in believing. So, aayusin ko lang siya. Tsaka may sombrero naman ako. Anyways, maglalakad muna ako. Then, I'll bring you to brunch. Look at this. Yung mga underground passage, oh. May food hall. And stuff like that. Ang dami. O, diba? By the way, napansin ko, ang dami tao pumipila for restaurants, for brunch. As in, kasi hindi pa sila bukas, pero grabe ang haba na ng pila sa labas sa mga restaurants. So, I think it's the same thing here. Buti na nag-reservation ako dito. Via Google, pwede kayo mag-reserve and then just sign in with Google. So, yun yung isang tip, just in case. Gusto nyo. Yan lang. My God, paglabas ko, poosh! Nandito na kaagad. Buti na lang. Check ko talaga lahat ng mga kailangan. So, let's see. And guys, mayroon mga ganito rin here. Tara, makita mo anong itsura dapat. I'm here. Meron pang grocery beside it na Metro. But here it is, Wild Sage. So, buti na nag-reserve ako. So, ito na siya. Tingnan niyo yung menu nila. Ooh! Ew! Ooh! Nako. Oh my God, dami niyang mains. Let's go. May brunch din sila guys, oh. But, let's see. Alam mo, hindi ko mga ganito yung mga sikat niya. Pero let's Google. Guys, I got coffee. And di ba when you're brunching here, oh, sa labas ka talaga nag-brunch dito. Brunch. Guys, I got the lobster, tapos nag-fries ako. Oh my God, mukha siyang masarap. Ito daw masarap. 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 Naku, ladies, so brunch talaga tayo ngayon, ha guys. Perfect. Gusto malaki. Guys, done with brunch and now rushing back to the hotel para makuha ko yung bag ko. Kasi I have a flight ng 3! And then I'll be in Melbourne na. Sarap ng lobster ko na yon. Total ko doon mas around 40 plus. It's mga 1,200 pesos. May kape na. Mahal, pero lobster naman yun. Masarap na. Pero alam mo na, yun na yung mahal meal ko for today. Yun na.